Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. BCF personnel fired at drone spotted near international border in Jammu. A drone was spotted near the international border in the Arenia sector of Jammu around 4:25 am on Friday. This is for the fifth time that a drone has seen hovering over Jammu after the twin explosions that rocked the Indian Forces station on Sunday. According to initial information, the drone was spotted near the face. However, it did not cross the border and remained on the Pakistan side of the border. The drone was coming from Pakistan, Port Zummat, and was flying just near the international border, but could not cross the fence, an official said. Avoiding taking any chance, Border Security Force personnel fired 5 to 6 rounds at the drone but could not hit it. The drone then turned after hovering over the area for some time. Soon after the incident, a BCA spokesperson said, "Alert BCA troops fired at small hexacopter belonging to Pakistan as it was trying to cross the IB in the Arnia sector this morning around 4:25 am. Due to the firing, it returned immediately. It was meant for carrying out surveillance of the area." Friday sighting is the fifth time a drone was spotted by the security forces in Jammu. A day after the attack on Jammu Airways, two drones were found hovering over the Kaluchak military station on the intervening 9th of June 2027-28. A high alert was then sounded in the Jammu area, particularly in the army station. In the wake of drone threat, security agencies in Jammu have installed an anti-drone system at the Air Force station. States flag shortage of COVID vaccines yet again. Has centers with supply? States are yet again complaining of a shortage of COVID vaccine, even as the Union Health Ministry Harsh Vardhan said under the new centralized vaccine policy, the states were informed in advance of their future vaccine supply. If there are issues in states, it shows that they need to better plan their vaccination drives. Intra-state planning and logistics are the responsible of the states. I request this leader to desist from their shameless urge to play politics even in the midst of a pandemic, the health minister tweeted. The health minister tweeted stating facts below so people can judge intentions of this leader after goal provided 75% of vaccines available for free vaccination speed picked up and 11.50 crore doses were given in June. States have already been informed in advance about COVID-19 vaccine supplies for July. This info was shared with states 15 days prior, along with details about the day-wise supply totally of 12 crore doses shall be made available in July. Private limited hospital supply will be over and above this, he added in the another tweet. The breakup is as follows: 26.6 crore Covishield, 8 crore Covaxin, and additional 1 crore doses as commodity assistance under COVAX facility. The affidavit states that it is expected that around 16 crore doses will also be available during the period of May and July. However, the country plans to inoculate people by conducting 10 million vaccinations or vaccination a day. India has already demonstrated that it has the capacity to scale up vaccination as a record 8.6 million doses were administered on June 21. In Chennai, charit body of IIT Madras lecturer found inside campus. The charred body of an Indian Institute of Technology Madras lecturer was found inside the campus on Thursday. The sports officer of the institute had alerted the local police after the body was spotted near the hockey ground. The deceased has been identified as 30-year-old Unnikrishan Nair. He had completed B.Tech in April 2021 and joined IIT Madras as a project associate and guest lecturer. Reportedly, he had returned to the campus from Kerala on Thursday morning. He was found dead near the hockey ground by some students while assembling for practice. The Kottarpuram police recovered the body and sent it to the government Royapatta hospital for formalities. Unnikrisanan, whose father is an employee of the ISRO, used to stay in Chennai's Velachery region with two roommates. Police sources claim that an 11-page suicide note was retrieved from his room. A case under Section 174 CRPC has been filed. COVID-19 vaccines in India, prices and doses to availability, your complete guide. India is slowly but steadily flattening its kitty of COVID-19 vaccine as the country aims to ramp up its vaccination drive. Universal vaccination against COVID-19 is the only way to beat the pandemic, and India faces a tall order of inoculating an estimated 90 to 95 crore adults. India began its vaccination drive with Covishield and Covaxin, both of which are produced in India. Now, there are more vaccines that the Indian government has approved for emergency use. As the number of COVID-19 vaccines approved increases, it can get difficult to keep track of the many details of the various shots. Answer to some of the questions may be partially or completed and unavailable at a particular point of time. This COVID-19 vaccines guide will be updated with the latest information as when it is released. This guide will also be updated with information about new vaccines as and when they are granted approval for use. Covishield is based on the viral vector platform. The vaccine is made from a weakened version of a common cold virus that causes infections in chimpanzees. It has been modified to look more like coronavirus, although it can't cause any illness. The injected virus instructs the body on how to fight against similar viruses. There are lots of information about all the vaccines and their efficacy and the countries.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.